Hello world. Welcome to the Gen AI LLM channel. Today we are going to study something about DeepSeek. What is this DeepSeek? What is this buzzword? DeepSeek is basically a AI breakthrough. What do you need to know about this DeepSeek? The future of language model? Is it the future of language model? Let's go ahead and deep dive inside it. What is DeepSeek? It is a first generation reasoning model of the DeepSeek, the DeepSeek R10 and DeepSeek R1. So basically, DeepSeek is a company of China based and it has generated its first generation model. That is, first one is DeepSeek R10 and DeepSeek R1. What is this DeepSeek R10? DeepSeek R10 is trained on a very large amount of data via reinforcement learning. So they haven't used any supervised learning in the primary phase. They are directly training the model with the reinforcement learning. That's why enhancement of their reasoning capability, and it is a very powerful reasoning capability. DeepSeek R10 has a poor readability and language mixing. That's why to overcome that problem, DeepSeek R1 emerged with incorporate multi-stage training and cold start data before the reinforcement learning. That means the DeepSeek R1 is having all the advantages which DeepSeek R10 was not having. Basically, the DeepSeek has been given this R1 model into 6 different parameters, that is 1.5 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion, 14 billion, 32 billion, and 70 billion. Basically, what is this reinforcement learning? So, I will give a very brief on that. The first thing is reinforcement learning is something which is based on three factors: agents, states, and rewards. So, agent observes a particular environment in which it has to work. The agent takes an action, that is called A, based on its current state. Suppose there is an initial state which is S. Now, environment respond based on the action, giving it a new state, that is S1, and a reward R, so that if the success factor is good, then it's going into the desired state from S0 to S1, and if the success is correct and the path is correct, then it's get a reward positive, as it's get a reward as a negative. Now the agent updates its policy to maximize further rewards. Repeat until the agent learns the optimal way to act. This is the concept of reinforcement learning which DeepSeek is using. Here we are seeing the comparison of the DeepSeek with other models. You can see here the AMI 2024 on basis of AMI 2024 pass at the rate 1, constant 64, math 50, GPQA diamond, live code bench, and code force ratings. In all of these, we are seeing the comparison of GPT-4, Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, O1 Mini, and QWQ32 billion. And then you can see all the 6 version of DeepSeek's R1 distill coin, that is 1.5, 7, 14, 32, 8, and 70. So you can see how the parameter is going on, and the DeepSeek R1 distill LLaMA 70 billion is just overriding all the other models. It's 70 with AMI 2024, IME 2024 constant at 64, it's 86.7%, whereas GPT-4 00513 is 13.4. Similarly, with math reasoning, it's 94.5. GPQ Diamond is 65.2. Super. Live code bench is 57.5 and code force is 1633. So it is just surpassing all other models. On the basis of comparison, we have I have predefined some of the criterias, like features like performance, long context supports, multilingual supports, the knowledge retrieval, that is RAG, fine tuning, and model availability, efficiency, cost effectiveness, enterprise integration, security and ethical AI, and hallucination reduction and best use cases. And in all these comparison list, you can see just DeepSeek is just overriding all of them. It having all the features. The best feature is it is better than LLaMA. Fine, performance is high, and it can be run. It can support multilingual support for the Asian languages. The RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation, strong support it's having. In the coming videos, I will show you the entire code of this DeepSeek in our local machine. Fine tuning capability is awesome. GPT-4 is lagging behind it. The Claude 2 is also lagging. Model availability is very nice. Efficiency is very good. Hallucination reduction is super. Security and ethical wise is also good. Enterprise integration is also good. And the best part is the cost effectiveness. The lower training and inference cost. It's very good in that. So in all these things, it will just overpass all the other models, and it will write a new generation and new era for the language models. Why DeepSeeks are better? So I explained you better performance on the long context tasks. So it handles longer input text effectively compared to some models that struggle with memory limitations. It does not have that memory limitation. More accurate on the contextual understanding for improved coherence in responses. It has a stronger multilingual capabilities, as I told you before, especially on Chinese, outperform the modern Chinese basis. Optimized for efficiency and speed, lower computational cost because it is using a very high accuracy at very low cost. Use different tokenization and training techniques leading to faster response time. Well optimized for deployment for various hardware, superior knowledge retrieval and RAG integration, enhanced retrieval mechanism, which I will show you how easy it is now to put reasoning inside our chatbot and run it into local machines. It can access and utilize external knowledge sources better than some closed models. It has high customizability and open source benefits, more flexible for the fine tuning on the industry basic requirement, domain specific, easier to integrate with the business applications. It balances trade-off between the model size and accuracy. Offer high offer high performance even on the smaller scale models like some AI models that require massive GPU power. It helps here. It's well balanced efficiency versus capability, making it deal for both research and commercial use. It's a very much future ready with the advanced AI technique. Okay, very good with the text, images, video, audio as well. Future updates may include better reasoning, fewer biases, and more real-time adaptability. Thank you for listening, and please like and subscribe this channel. Soon I am going to uh, put the code for the RAG with the DeepSeek model. Thank you.